Good morning friends, myself Vishal Ende and I am working in Nagar Panchayat High School Katol as a vocational trainer and my principal name is Mrs. Sulba Revatkar. Today I am going to a, discuss a base or explain the basic concept of automobile or basic automobile. Actually, all the inventions of automobile was done in Germany, so that Germany is called as a birthplace of automobile. The word automobile is made from two basic words. One is auto and another is mobile. Auto means self-propelled and mobile means which can easily travel from one place to another place. So that automobile can define as automobile we can define as a self-propelled vehicle which is specially designed for roads and streets. In another way, we can also define as the self-propelled vehicle which is travel from one place to another place on only roads and streets. Automobile has a various part, just frame, chassis, engine, suspension system, transmission system, braking system, and wheels. The engine, the engine is the basic part of automobile because due to engine, the vehicle travel from one place to another place automatic or self-propelled. So that engine is called as a heart of automobile. Heart of automobile. The first petrol engine was invented by Nicholas Otto in 1876. Then after some times, diesel engine was invented by Dr. Rudolf Diesel. Dr. Rudolf Diesel. Basically, basically engine is a device which produces power for propulsion or which convert the chemical energy of fuel into the mechanical energy. The basic two types of engines are internal combustion engine and second external combustion engine. But now today two types of engine are commonly used in automobile, that is two stroke engine and four stroke engine. Actually, to understand the concept of two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine, we need to explain or diagrammatically explain the basic terminology of engine. This is a diagram of engine. An engine is made from three basic parts. First part is cylinder head. Cylinder head. The cylinder head it is from TDC to upward part of engine is called as cylinder head, and in cylinder head inlet valve, exhaust valve, inlet manifold and exhaust manifold are mounted. Then second part is cylinder block. Cylinder block, in cylinder block there is a cylinders are present for reciprocating the piston. Then third part is crankcase. Crankcase is the part where crankshaft is rotated, is called as crankcase. Then the cylinder block has two main types. One is the monoblock and second is the split block. Monoblock means there is a cylinders and crankcase are arranged combined. They are not split from each other, is called as a monoblock. Or split block means there is a cylinder and crankcase are split easily, means they are separated from each other easily, is called as split block. Then we are goes to the basic terminology of engine. Then first point is TDC. TDC means top dead center. Top dead center is defined as, or TDC is defined as, maximum limit of traveling piston head, maximum limit of traveling piston head towards the upward direction is called as TDC. Then BDC. BDC means bottom dead center and is defined as a maximum limit of piston head traveling towards the downward direction is called as BDC. BDC. The next terminology is clearance volume. VC means clearance volume. Clearance volume is the volume of cylinder from TDC to cylinder head. It is a volume in between TDC and cylinder head. This volume is called as a clearance volume. Then stroke volume. Stroke volume is the volume of cylinder where cylinder piston is reciprocate. Means stroke volume is the volume of cylinder from TDC to BDC is called as a stroke volume. Then VT means total volume. Total volume means it is the addition of clearance volume and stroke volume. Means it is the distance between BDC and up to the cylinder head. This volume is called as the total volume. Then stroke. Stroke means a traveling distance between the TDC to BDC. Stroke means traveling distance between the TDC to BDC or BDC to TDC is called as a stroke. It says that a piston travels from TDC to BDC. It is a one stroke or first stroke. Then piston head is travel from BDC to TDC. It is second stroke. Second stroke. Then the seventh is the compression ratio. Compression ratio is the ratio of total volume to the clearance volume. Total volume to the clearance volume, and ratio has no unit. Compression ratio has no unit. Then last one is engine cycle. Engine cycle is that part of engine where suction, compression, power and exhaust are four action are take place continuously is called as engine cycle. Means that suction first, second compression action, third power action, then exhaust action. After exhaust action is repeated again a suction action, then suction. After the suction, then there is again compression. After compression there is again power, and after power there is again exhaust is called as the engine cycle. Means engine cycle is the repeating action of a suction, compression, power and exhaust action. It is called as engine cycle. Then we can define as a two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine. The two-stroke engine is that where the engine in which engine cycle is completed in two stroke of piston or one revolution of crankshaft is called as a two-stroke engine. And then four-stroke engine means the engine in which engine cycle is completed in four stroke of engine or two revolution of crankshaft is called as a four-stroke engine. This is all about the engine terminology.